common question is how to secure your online life easily. We will provide a clear and direct answer today. We've transitioned from simple passwords to multi-factor authentication. Now, we are embracing passkeys as the next major step. Password managers like Bitwarden and 1Password are still reliable. They create strong, unique passwords for you. These tools encrypt your information securely. They also conveniently autofill your credentials across devices. Now, these managers can store and sync passkeys as well. However, they still depend on one master password for access. If compromised, phishing sites or keyloggers can expose all your information. Recovery typically relies on email or backup codes. Setting up password managers can be challenging for newcomers. Now let's focus on passkeys in 2026. Passkeys are designed to be resistant to phishing attacks. There are no passwords to steal or enter manually anymore. Your device generates a unique public-private key pair for security. The private key remains secure on your device or in your vault. Major companies like Google and Apple fully support passkeys. Passkeys can securely sync across all your devices. They function easily on phones, laptops, and hardware keys. In terms of security, passkeys clearly dominate. They effectively block phishing and credential stuffing attacks. Password managers remain vulnerable to compromises of the master password. Modern password managers can manage passkeys within an encrypted vault. Using passkeys feels effortless when they are supported. Password managers provide wider autofill features and simpler sharing. They also serve as a single place for all your credentials. Many older sites still do not support passkeys. This is common in older banking portals or specific services. Password managers have a slight edge in recovery options. You have control over exporting your password manager vault. They store passkeys, allowing recovery of all data from a single backup. I suggest using a hybrid approach for better security. Apply passkeys to your most important accounts for security. This includes banking apps, emails, and crypto exchanges. Use your password manager for all other accounts. Your password manager now conveniently syncs your passkeys. This ensures maximum security where it's crucial. Passkeys synced through Apple or Google use end-to-end encryption. Self-hosted managers like Bitwarden provide additional control. Choose based on your specific security needs. Let's discuss passkey recovery in 2026. Losing access remains a major concern for many users. Recovery for synced passkeys is simple. You can log in on a new device using your account password and a second factor. This allows your passkeys to sync easily. Always register passkeys on at least 2 devices from the start. Using a phone and laptop provides quick backup solutions. If one fails, you can create new passkeys with the other. Losing access to all devices, however, presents challenges. You may need to rely on email OTPs, SMS, or saved recovery codes. High-security accounts might require ID verification. Once back in, create new passkeys right away. For hardware keys like YubiKey, always have a backup. Consider testing your recovery process on a less important account. Remember, your password manager backup includes passkeys as well. Here are some practical migration tips for using passkeys. Begin by migrating 2 or 3 important accounts. Enable passkeys whenever they are available. Always keep a password manager entry as a backup. Regularly export your password manager vault for security. Crypto users should pair passkeys with hardware wallets for added safety. Avoid storing seed phrases in any password manager. Passkeys represent the future for sites that support them. Password managers are still vital today, and now support passkeys directly. Migrate one account at a time for a smoother transition. Ultimately, this makes your digital life both safer and simpler. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. In a future video, we will explore the password managers that I personally used. Thanks for watching. Stay secure out there.